Hey guys, welcome to Social Net. This is Upama Sharpa, and in today's video I'll show you how you can download and sign up Life 360 app on your mobile device. Life 360 is a family communication, location and alert app for smartphones that allow users to share their location with each other. Once set up on phone, Life 360 allows the administrating phone to set geofences defining chosen areas. Geofences can be used, for example, to track when family members arrive at or leave work, school, or home. The application also offers driving analysis through Life 360 Driver Protect. Integration in cars is also available, with BMW building Life 360 into the navigating system. The app monitors assigned drivers and provides reporting, crash detection, and emergency response. This app was first released on Google Play in 2008 after winning an Android Developer Challenge. So if you want to download the Life 360 app and create an account on it, watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, you need to go to Play Store application on your mobile device, then locate and tap on it to open. Once you are inside the Google Play Store, go to the search bar and search for Life 360 app. Once the page opens, go to the install button and tap on it in order to download it on your mobile device. Now wait for the app to download. Now you have successfully downloaded the Life 360 app on your mobile device. Now in order to sign up, go to the application and tap on it to open. Here go to get started and tap on it. On this page, this app asks you to enter the phone number. Once you have entered your phone number, go to the bottom of your screen and tap on continue option. And on this page, you need to enter your full name. Once you have entered the name, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the continue button. Now enter your email address. And once you have entered your email, go to the bottom of your screen and tap on continue button again. And on this page, you need to create a password for your Life 360 app. Once you have created a password, go to the continue button and tap on it. Now here on this page, you will be asked to provide your birthday information. Go to the bars and enter your birthday. Once you have provided your birthday information, go to the continue button and tap on it. Now on this page, it informs you that now you can join or create a circle. A circle is a private space only accessible by you and your family. So in order to continue, go to the continue button and tap on it. Go to the bottom of the screen and tap on this create a new circle option. By tapping on that, you create a circle and now you need to give it a name. So go to the texted field and type in a new name for your circle. Once you are done, go to the continue button and tap on it. By tapping on it, you will be provided with an invitation code that you can share with your family. And you can share it through text, emails, writing down, or verbally. In order to do that, go to the share code and tap on it. In here, you can see various mediums you can share your code through. So once you share the code, you will have successfully created a circle where you can now communicate with your family and friends. Now by tapping on I am done sharing, you land onto this page where you need to describe your role in this circle. And once you tap onto an option, you will land onto an interface like this where you need to add your photo, which makes it easier for your family to find you on the map. So if you want to add your photo, go to add your photo and tap on it and choose the best picture that suits your profile for this account. And once you upload your photo, you will be taken to another page where this app asks you to enable the location and physical activity in order to proceed. So once you enable both the location and physical activity, you can go to continue at the bottom of your screen and tap on it in order to proceed. And on this page, you will be asked to add places your family visits often, like home and school. For this, you can turn on notification to get alerts when other members of your circles come and go. Now go to the bottom of your screen and tap on continue option. Once you land onto an interface like this, you need to add your home. For that, you can even drag the map or you can even enter the address here. Once you do it, you can go to the save button, or if you don't want to add your home, then you can go to the skip button and tap on it. On the location history page, go to the bottom of your screen and tap on maybe later. So once you have completed the questionnaire and filling up information, you will have successfully created an account for your Life 360 app. And this is all for today, guys. Thanks for sticking up till the end of the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.